Under the HIPAA umbrella are several laws like the Privacy Rule and Security Rule. These laws dictate how healthcare entities go about handling, protecting, disclosing, using, and securing PHI. In other words, healthcare workers aren't allowed to talk about you or your medical situation without your consent. It is important to understand HIPAA violation examples and how they happen in the real world so you won't face a breach next. Hi everyone, I'm Elia from eTactics, and today I'm going to discuss a real-world example of lacking encryption. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. Also, hit that alert bell icon so when we post new, helpful content, you get notified. Data encryption falls under the scope of the HIPAA Security Rule. More specifically, it's one of the technical safeguard standards. Encryption is also key to something called transmission security under the Security Rule. With this said, a lack of encryption would breach the HIPAA Security Rule. You need to encrypt all sensitive information to ensure PHI doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Think of it as adding a layer of cybersecurity on top of all the other practices your organization has. Why is this so important? A company we will call Floyd Care in this video learned its lesson the hard way. The company notified the OCR about the loss of an unencrypted laptop computer. This computer contained the PHI of over 500 patients, creating a dangerous situation. According to the reports, the computer fell out of the back of the ambulance and was not recovered. The fact that the computer was not encrypted and that Floyd Care didn't have any security training led to a $65,000 fine. Needless to say, you need to encrypt your devices. This adds a layer of security to your digital PHI. You should also use encrypted messaging applications. Sending a text message from one department to another in the hospital may be the easiest way to communicate, but it's not the safest. Instead, use an encryption app for work-related messages. Don't let cyber criminals intercept these messages and use them to their advantage. If you'd like to learn more about protecting yourself from HIPAA violations, reach out to eTactics. And you've already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below.